Hello and welcome to the curriculum cycle. I created this document. It is a checklist of all the different steps of the curriculum process or curriculum cycle that we will go through eventually. We're all at totally different parts of this right now, and that's totally okay. I just put together some videos to go through all the different steps, being that we're in this unique situation that we have some time here to work on it. If you have this on your screen in front of you and scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can see the different curriculum teams that will be working together through this process. There is a math team, there is a social studies team, there's a science team, a specials team, and an English language arts team. So for some of you high school and middle school people, it's pretty obvious which team you're on. For some of you younger grades, John helped to direct us which team you would best serve on. Normally, this cycle would last 5 years, and we would rotate as to who's going in year one, the most intensive year of the cycle. But like I said before, we're in a unique situation where we have some time now. So we'll just go over all the different steps of the cycle. First year, again, is the most intensive. This is my guess what most of you will be working on now. This is really where we go over what we're covering now and how we're covering it. The next year is really looking at developing our new curriculum. Year 3 is implementing that actual curriculum. Year 4 is revising that curriculum. And year 5 is taking a break and just decompressing a little bit from all the work that we did in those first few years. There are videos in each of these sections that go over how to do that step of those different parts of the curriculum cycle. But overall, that's what we're looking at. Please know that I am here for you anytime with questions that you might have. This is my cell phone number. Call, text, email anytime. And we will work together through this to get as much done as we can. Thanks, guys.